How the weekly budget works. The weekly budget is the system Satispay uses to manage the funds available in your account. When you set up the app, choose a weekly amount, such as 25, 50, or 100 euros. Every Sunday night, Satispay checks how much money you have left in the app and automatically restores the balance to the amount you selected. For example, if you set a budget of 100 euros and spend 49 euros during the week, Satispay will automatically withdraw 49 euros from your account to restore the available 100 euros. If you receive money or spend less than expected, the system automatically recalculates the necessary amount. The weekly budget helps you keep track of your spending and use Satispay without having to top up manually every time. You can change your budget at any time directly from the app settings.